is they just talk too much. Their job is to talk too much. So me meeting somebody whom says, Coach, I also have a G-Wagon. You understand? Coach, I also have this. I own this. I do. I'm fucking inspired because most of the traders who are fighting me, there are traders who are fighting me naturally. I don't know for what.
But then why would
they're fighting me and they have nothing to show. Not even a trading account as Marco showed us. They don't even have a trading account that has 1 million, but they are fighting me saying what I have is not real. So that kind of demotivated me in the whole industry that Forex traders is full of people who talk too much for no reason. You understand? Finding somebody who says, no, Coach, I have a G-Wagon. Here it is. I've seen his G-Wagon. Like, it's a big deal for me. I'm like, fuck, at least I'm not alone. Like, somebody understands where I come from, even though I might not have as much as they have, but it's a fucking inspiration for me.
Hey, bro, this is just next level, man.
There's a person who has a fucking 100 million in their bank account that they can spend anytime.
Yeah.
Most of these traders talk too much. I'm telling you, Ndika. Now, personally, I've done a lot of things, and I'm not gonna hide it. I've made money before, and I went broke, my guy. Broke, you know, broke level of broke. I've went broke, but besides that, there's what there's an important saying which says that run after knowledge first, and then money will follow you. If there is one thing nobody can take away from me, it's the knowledge for me to make money. You understand? That nobody can take away. So no matter how broke I am, because now I have the knowledge to make money, I will always come back. I did in 2020, during COVID. I used my knowledge and I fucking came back like nobody's business. The first thing that I did was to fucking make a couple of millions that I invested in the brokerage firm. Now, today, as we speak, I have a brokerage firm that runs 7 days a week, whatever the case may be. And I have a couple more of which I cannot disclose. But besides that, it's so fucking inspirational to see my other brothers pushing, you know, so that tomorrow when I tell Marco and say, Marco, I'm going through a lot, he understands what I mean. I like people when I say through a lot, then they say, you are fake. You have never had that house. You have never had that car. You know, it's so depressing to listen to poor people. But if I tell Marco that I'm broke, he's going to understand that, no, Coach, I understand what you mean. I've also been there at some point. This is what you need to do. He's going to inspire me to come back to life. But poor people, when you tell them that you are broke, they want you to even be more poorer. Hey. I don't know.
All right. Coach
is here.
Doctor is here. Doctor.
Sorry, guys. I don't know what's happening. I think it's a technical error from FNB.
Okay.
I can even show you guys. This is the app, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think
it says you're offline. There's a bit of an internet problem from your end, I think.
Yeah. So I'm trying, guys. I wanted to show you, but unfortunately, maybe my ancestors, they're refusing for you to see, because Marco will faint tonight.
Maybe. You're still on about that.
Maybe not. You see, guys, I'm not running away. I'm just trying to show you. I'm even technical error. I try even to switch on the other phone. Still the same thing.
Okay. All right.
So yeah, I think I'll participate next time. But I have one question, right? And thanks a lot, DJ Coach, for your honesty. Yeah, it's not easy. Like, if you made money in life and you said there was a time where you were broke, it's not easy. We all know that.
Yeah.
Okay, one question to Marco, or it's a request, right?
Yeah.
Marco, I've got two people that I know they're into Forex. They are trying to make money, right?
Okay.
And you, as a successful trader, I want to ask you, is it possible that you can teach those people how to make money so that they can be a millionaire for you, like you, for free?
For free?
Come on, you are a millionaire, Marco. I had testimony that you have got 63 million in account this other day.
No, it's one off.
One off. Oh, okay.
Yes, one off. My guy has more. It's one off. Yes.
Yo, but Nasdaq. Yo.
Okay.
As
So,
a
Marco,
guys,
Marco, that's my question to you.
yeah.
okay.
Sorry. Yeah, you were saying sorry.
Marco,
Is it possible?
Marco.
Okay.
They said, are you not editing there, Marco? Are you not editing?
People in the comments.
They said, are you not editing, Marco? You should have the millions there.
Imagine editing.
Show me the editing app.
Yeah. It's
All
not
right,
easy
yeah,
to,
that's the question. That's the question.
not-
That's the question, Marco.
That's one thing. It's not easy to edit a website. People will be like, Marco, are you editing? Where is it easy to edit a website? Have you ever seen?
especially F&B website. Let's be real here. You can't edit.
Okay, fine. No, I feel you. All right. Yeah, my man, we're waiting, Marco. We're waiting. You wanted to show us something?
Yeah, that thing. You see that thing of free. That's my time.
Sorry?
Yeah.
That's my time. My time costs money.
That I know.
My time costs money. So, as for free, I don't think so.
Yeah, there's nothing for free in this world. That I know. Only your parents owe you. That I know.
But I would say at a better price, at a discounted price, sure. Just to help the person out, yes. But as for free, bro, there's nothing for free.
And
not in this world.
And when before you had all this money, nobody wanted to talk to you. Life is something. Life is weird.
I think we have a contestant. Hold up, Michael. Hold up. Inosolu. Inosolu.
Sure.
Come on, someone Jake Salamato Pandens millionaire. Go to Umbela. I'm going to Yan Temba.
I just want to ask a question. I don't want to. I don't have a lot of money, but I know money and I know what money can do. Marco, with 63 million, you can buy an SVG, you can buy a Bentley, you can buy a house in Serengeti or
Stain City.
Or Stain City. And still have the M4 and G63 and other cars and still live a proper life. From my view here, I don't think this house can worth more than 10 million that you're in. I don't know where you stay, but from what I can see right now, I don't think the house you're in worth 10 million.
Okay.
G63 that you have, it's which model, Michael?
It's what?
It's which model? What's the year of your G63 and the M4?
It's a 2020.
It's a 2020, the M4?
The M4 is a 2018. I've got two SVRs. I've got an S5. I've got an RS3. I've got a Mustang GT.
Yeah, no, man. Michael, 63 million is a lot, bro. We need to be realistic, man. We need to be we need to be realistic. You can't have 63 million and still feel comfortable to be in an RS3, bro. RS3, come on, man. Come on, 272, you're done. You're done with RS3.
So you're saying that an RS3 is only people who have day jobs can drive RS3s. So a million acre.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm just checking your cars. I'm just checking your cars, and I'm like,
okay. So that's
63 million, man.
Determine a person's wealth. Hold on. Does cars determine
not
a person's
cars? No, not even cars, man. Where you stay, man? Where do you stay?
Huh?
Where do you stay?
Menlo Park.
Menlo Park.
Yes.
You're in the east.
Yes. Sorry, east.
Bro, with 63 million, you can get a nice 15 million house, bro.
But do I want?
And still, and
do I want?
bro, it doesn't matter whether you want it or you don't want it. It doesn't matter. Everyone,
stupid people
bro,
like you. You see, stupid people. Let me be honest. Let me be honest with you. Stupid people think like you. You see, stupid people would go and take, if they had 50 million, they'd go and take 25 million and buy a house. And that's fucking stupid.
Oh man, we're talking about 63 million. If you take 15 million and buy a house cash, you still left with how much, bro?
I buy like I did.
You still left with how much?
Listen, why can't I do what I did here?
Like you did there, bro. Your safety, bro. Your safety. So many potholes going to the east, bro. So many potholes going to the east. That road is shit, bro. You can stuck on traffic, bro. You can stuck on traffic when you've got 63 million. Imagine, stuck in traffic when you've got 63 million. Stop playing, bro.
So
you're stuck in traffic every day.
It's always be haters, but let's look at something like this. So this,
I'm not a hater, bro.
No, you are. It's fine. You have nothing to.
I'm not a hater. I'm not a hater. I'm telling you, I'm being realistic here.
Which is fine.
I'm not a hater. We need to be real. Why would I hate you? I don't know you, bro. I don't know you. There's no need for me to hate you.
People who don't have money act like you, and it's okay. It's fine.
It's fine, bro. Now whether I have got money or I don't have money, it doesn't matter. But you just don't know me.
There's nothing wrong with wanting the cars I have. There's nothing wrong with wanting the life I have. I know many people who want the life I have. It's okay being broke.
No, I don't want the life that you have because I don't want the life that you have because you are so stupid to drive an RS3 when you've got 63 million. You can't drive a 2018 M4, 2018 M4 when there's 2022 M4 when you've got 63 million. And then that thing is like 2 million, bro. Why don't you go and shine 2 million and take the new M4? And with the trade-in of your car, you're gonna pay 900,000.
You're an idiot. You don't know how to invest, but it's fine. That's you. You see,
invest what? Is that investment? Do you think driving a car that is out of motor plan is investment? Are you investing when you're driving the car that is out of motor plan? Is that what you call investment?
So man, bro, you were driving a 505. Do you remember?
What am I driving now?
505, playing for 2,000 rand an hour. My man, we are past that stage.
What am I driving now? And then how much am I charging now?
It doesn't matter.
Let's talk about now. It doesn't matter where it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where I come from. Let's check where I'm going now. What am I driving now?
Okay, maybe you've gone to a Golf 6. Congratulations.
Golf 6. I never drive. Come on, bro.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Golf 6.
Come on. I'll be honest with you. Don't come here and brag and say you've got 63 million. I know people who've got 63 million. People who have got 63 million, I know what they do with the money.
Brother. Is this not in that, brother?
No, I'm not. No,
this isn't that.
No, I'm not a bitter. Bro, I'm not.
Okay. I'm sorry to jump in. Inner Zone.
Sure.
Inner Zone. Let me ask you a question. Tell me something. If you had 63 million, would you do all these things that you have mentioned that you do?
The first thing that I was going to do when I get a 63 million, I was going to take 13 million and buy a house in Stan City, 2 million and furnish it, and go buy a vacation house in Cape Town, go buy a vacation house in Zimbabwe, buy V300 for traveling to gigs, and have Lamborghini, Bentley, and all these cars. I'm still left with 10 million that is just in the bank.
All right. Are you aware that that is a personal preference, though? What if Marco remember, let me explain it. I'm not familiar with
Coach. What we invest in, understand my question. So what we invest in, can you see this? A hectare of a house. Can you see this? This is what we invest in. We invest in estate. This is what we invest in estate. Can you see that? This is an original. Let me just.
Original what?
Let me just show you. This is a title deed. Like there's the original stamp. You can see it over there. There it is over there. There's that original stamp. You can see it. It's an original title deed.
You can't have 63 million and make
Okay, it's fine.
your life suffer like that.
So,
Why would you suffer like that?
understand my question.
They can see it. You can see it's an original title deed. You can see it for yourself. This is an original title deed. There's my name and everything. You can see it for yourself. You understand? This is what I invested.